Hi, Bill Henshaw here again, your constitutional coup expert, and back with videos. As I said, I've been on an extended visit here in Iowa, and it's been very pleasant for the most part. But boy, I've seen things in the quote unquote courts here in Iowa I've never seen in California. I mean, as bad as it is in the Golden State, look out. And this is a Midwest red state that operates like this. And it's so bad they've convicted themselves of treason with their own corrupt records from their corrupt courts without any need for any of the constitutional defense issues that I present, unopposed structural jurisdictional issues. And we've got them dead bang here. I'll keep you posted as to what goes on. I'm extending this in the hopes that I can turn around here and get a quick settlement in this case. And it looks like we can do it because they got my friend, my host here, his twin brother is in jail for 3 to 15 years for being nothing more than a meth addict, which is unfortunate, but it's not a criminal offense. And they convicted him of being a habitual offender, in an administrative tribunal that had no jurisdiction whatsoever. His attorney refused to help do all my paperwork and garbage and let him get convicted. And this is what he gets because he had some prior occurrences like this, because he has a bit of a problem with meth, no question about it, but no criminal activity at any time. Where's the injured party here? Confrontation and cross-examination. Grand jury indictment, not there. And all this is in the Iowa Constitution. None of it's there, and more on top of that. And the Black Robe Bastard, that this is typical of state bar association attorneys. That's why they're in this business. They do anything they possibly can to avoid having any one of us come in there and question, their complete control over the quote unquote judicial department of government. And all that tells you is that these are not judicial courts. They're not in California, not in Iowa, not where you are. And what that means is that all laws on the books, ALL, are null and void, nunc pro tunc ab initio as a bill of attainder, taking of life, liberty, or property without judicial process, let alone trial by jury according to the course of the common law, a right guaranteed to even inhabitants of territories by Article 2 of the Northwest Ordinance of 1787, as reenacted by the First Congress. So here we are, and we're about ready to really sink into them here and going full speed. So I don't know how long I'll be here. I'll be doing more videos. I'll keep you abreast. But to get more information, send me an email, youwinincourt@gmail.com. You're absolutely going to love what's going on because exactly the same situation applies where you are, maybe different factual circumstances. For example, with the evictions, crap like that. With family law, with the child procurement syndicate, all of these administrative agencies, and the Supreme Court's been on a tear against them. And this recent case of Axon v. FTC, they just decided about a month ago, they sounded exactly like me. Unanimous opinion, 9-0. It's about time. This may be the death knell for these administrative agencies, particularly the CPS, and good riddance. It's about damn time. So I'll keep you up to date here as I continue here in Iowa, and you'll learn more about this case and other current goings on as well, particularly the events with Joe Biden, or whichever clone it is he's in the White House with now, who's apparently going to jail. And we got a perfect fit because we get my friend out here, which it looks like we're going to do next week on appeal bond. They can just put Biden in the jail cell he was in. So we'll see how it works out. Now, have a good one. Send me an email, youwinincourt@gmail.com. Tell your friends, get the word out. Thank you.